Hey everyone, today I'll be sharing a quick dinner for three: air fried chicken wings, yellow rice, and candied yams. For the yams, you will need two large sweet potatoes, water, cinnamon, sugar, butter or margarine, a baking pan, and of course, before you begin, go ahead and heat that oven 350 degrees.
One, two, three, come on!
For the air fried chicken wings, you will need 12 to 15 wings, your favorite chicken seasonings, and an air fryer, of course. So for the wings, I decided to do half of them in one seasoning salt, just the regular seasoning salt that I get from the local grocery store. And the remaining half, I decided to do the lemon pepper because my husband really likes those. So in the video, you'll see that I'm doing that. The air fryer that I'm using is one we've had for almost a year, maybe even longer. It's a 4.3 liter, I think. And with that being said, the wings I have, I think I have 14 total. I'm able to put half and half, so 7 small wings into the air fryer each time. Last is the yellow rice. Go ahead and preheat your stove top on medium high, or in my case number 8. You will need a small medium sauce pot, a small box of Zatarain's yellow rice, 2.5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine, and salt and pepper to taste if you wish. I had to add a couple of minutes, so I'm gonna make sure that it's good and done, a little crispy. Okay, let's put this here. I need to drop the chicken on. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so that's the lemon pepper chicken, so it's gonna be a little light looking. So I'm gonna leave it at that, and simply good and done. Okay, so now I will get ready to make it. Just wanted y'all to see this. I got it on selfie, y'all. Just trying to work with it here without my tripod. There's the lemon pepper, and it is a little light, but it is good and done, y'all. Alright, so let me get ready to put in the seasoning salt, the regular seasoning salt chicken.
1, 2, 3, come on!
If you would like to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you would like, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And always, don't forget, when no one else will, be your own cheerleader. Create your own sunshine. See you on the next upload.